In this video, you'll learn how to buy Sway memecoins using the Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully enable the Sway network, acquire, SUI, and swap it for your desired memecoins. Start by opening the Phantom wallet on your device. Once the application is open, locate the settings option, typically found in the bottom navigation bar or accessible through a menu icon. Tap on Settings. Next, find the Active Network section within the Settings menu. This area allows you to manage the networks you can connect to. Tap on Active Networks to view the list of available networks. Here you will see the option to enable the SWI network. Turn on the SUI network by toggling the switch next to it. After enabling the SUI network, your SUI wallet address should automatically appear within the Phantom wallet interface. This indicates that you are ready to acquire SUI, which is essential for purchasing memecoins and covering transaction fees. To acquire SUI, you have several options. You can purchase SUI directly within the Phantom wallet using a credit or debit card or through payment services like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Alternatively, SUI can be sent from a cryptocurrency exchange to your Phantom wallet. You may also swap another token for SUI directly within the application, allowing for flexibility in how you obtain this currency. Once you have secured your SUI, the next step is to access a Sway DEX exchange, commonly referred to as a DEX. Open your preferred SUI trading app such as Cetus or Bluefin and prepare to connect your Phantom wallet to the DEX. Look for a button labeled Connect Wallet on the DEX interface. Click this button to initiate the connection process. From the options provided, select Phantom as your wallet of choice. After this, you will need to approve the connection request, which ensures that the DEX can interact with your Phantom wallet. Now that your wallet is connected, it is time to swap SUI for the memecoin of your choice. Start by selecting SUI as the token you wish to use for payment. Next, either paste the contract address of the memecoin or select it from a list depending on the DEX's functionality. Enter the amount of UI you wish to swap for the memecoin. After entering the amount, click on the swap button. You may be prompted to approve the transaction in your Phantom wallet. Once you approve, the memecoin will be processed and should appear in your Phantom wallet shortly after the transaction is completed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.